Hey guys, I'm Seal21. Today I'm testing 3 hidden gem apps that will make your PC run smoother and faster. These apps are easy to use, lightweight, and most people don't even know about them. Let's jump right into it. First up is CCleaner. This is a classic cleanup tool that targets all those junk files slowing down your PC. When you install and open it, you'll see options to clear temporary files, browser caches, leftover installed files, and unused system logs. By running the cleaner feature, CCleaner removes all of this clutter, freeing up valuable disk space. What's great is it also cleans out your Windows registry, removing broken or unused entires, which can help improve stability and speed. Just remember to back up your registry when it asks. Running CCleaner can keep your system lean and reduce lag, especially on older PCs or ones with limited storage. Next is Empty Temp Folders, a simple but powerful app you probably never heard of. Windows and many programs create temporary files and folders during use, but often these files aren't cleaned up automatically. Empty Temp Folders scans your entire system and deletes all these leftover temporary files safely and efficiently. What I like about it, it focuses only on temp folders, so it won't accidentally remove important files or settings. It's extremely lightweight with a minimal interface, just a few buttons to scan and clean. Over time, these temp files can take gigabytes of space and slow down your PC responsiveness, so the app helps keep your system smooth with zero hassle. Alright guys, so the third app, Ultimate Windows Tweaker, is an incredibly powerful tool with over 200 hidden Windows tweaks. However, because it's quite complex and there is so many options to cover, I won't go into it in this video. It deserves its own dedicated tutorial to really explain everything step by step. If you want me to make a full deep dive video showing you exactly how to use Ultimate Windows Tweaker, how to safely apply tweaks, and how to boost your performance with it, drop a comment down below and let me know. So those were my 3 hidden gem apps that can make your PC run smoother and faster. If you want more tech tips and tricks, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.